Do you know that the demand for virtual assistants has increased by 40% in the last few years? Now that businesses are going digital, a lot of companies are hiring remote workers to handle certain tasks for them. This is to tell you that the best time to start your freelance virtual assistant journey is now. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tokwe. I help you to navigate the world of freelancing and virtual assistant. I help you to start as a virtual assistant, increase your business online, and also make more money working from home. In today's video, we will be looking at how you can start as a virtual assistant and as a beginner virtual assistant, and where you can land jobs, the services that you can render, and where you can actually find jobs. Starting as a virtual assistant can actually be very overwhelming. You're thinking of what skill do I have? What services do I want to render? How do I charge my clients? Or even where do I even find this client? You know, all these questions are what go through people's mind when they are starting out as a virtual assistant. But do you know what? You're not alone, because starting out as a virtual assistant, I felt the same way. I was confused on what skills do I need to start, where do I start from, and all that. So that is why I'm doing this video today, to walk you through certain things that you need to know when you're starting out as a virtual assistant, so you don't have to feel overwhelmed or stressed out or even discouraged in starting your virtual assistant journey. What are the services, or what do virtual assistants actually do? Now, as a virtual assistant, there are a few things that you can do. Number one is email management. This is very common, or email and administrative management, whereby you handle client emails, you know, incoming and outgoing emails, and organizing their emails, you know, to ensure that they don't miss out on important things and all that. So this is email management and other administrative tasks, like taking meeting notes, scheduling meetings for their team members, planning travels and all that. So administrative tasks generally. Another thing that virtual assistant do is social media management. So if you are the techie type, you know, you can create content, design, graphics and all that. This is another thing, or another task that virtual assistants can actually do. Managing business accounts or personal accounts, social media accounts actually. Data entry, customer support and calendar management are other tasks that virtual assistants you know, do. And you can also go further, you know, into the tech aspect if you have the skill, like email marketing, website management, blog management, and all that. But I won't go into the details of those ones, because if you're starting out as a virtual assistant, you may want to start, you know, from the simplest, or you would look at what skills do I have, what can I do, like, or what can I easily learn. You understand? What can I easily learn, so that I can start rendering that service? You don't want to start from top. You want to start from the down part and grow to the top. Now, let's talk about where you can find jobs as a virtual assistant. I know this is a common challenge, you know, even with the skills and every other thing. With starting out rightly, you're thinking about, where will I even find remote jobs? Where will I get people hiring virtual assistant? There are different platforms where you can find jobs, you know. Number one is Upwork. You can actually register as a freelancing platform, whereby people who need certain services go and post these services, and you as a freelance, or as a remote worker, or as a virtual assistant, go there to search for these things, and you look at the job that fit your skills, you understand, and you apply for these jobs. Okay. Another platform is Fiverr. So in Fiverr, you are able to create packages. You package your service, you know, and you attach a fee to it. So when people who are looking for, you know, what you offer searches and you come up, they can hire you to do the jobs for you. So that is for Fiverr. So other platforms that you can get jobs are online job platforms. You know, these platforms allows you to search for jobs. You know, some businesses, individuals, companies post jobs, available jobs on these online jobs platforms, and you can search for jobs. So one of them is Indeed. So you can check out Indeed. You can also check out remote.co, and also there are a lot of them. I'm going to list them out on this video, okay, that you can actually check out, and check, look for openings, look for job opportunities in this. Now let me just tell you this, that the key to being successful as a virtual assistant is to start with one or two services, the one you're very sure about, that you're comfortable to to offer, right? Or let me even say that if you don't even have the skill, how do you start? So start with something you can easily learn. There are a lot of videos on YouTube. Even if you go through my channel, you can get some videos that can help you to start out learning certain skills to become a virtual assistant. So start with one or two services first of all. And another thing that I'm going to give you is that if you're starting out and you don't have enough experience to show clients that, okay, this is what I can do, because a lot of people want to know what you can do, what you can offer before they give you job. And as starting out, you don't have testimonials, you don't have people you work with. So what you can do is offer services at a very discounted rate, or even free services for a very short period of time, to get people's testimonials. All right, in one of my videos where I share how to design a portfolio as a virtual assistant, somebody asked, what about someone like me that is just starting? I don't have any experience, I have not worked with any client. So what I responded to that person is that you can start by offering free services. So post it out there that, okay, I can do this and this. I want, if you need this service, you can reach out to me, send me a DM, send me a message, and I will be willing to offer this service for you for this so period. And in return for a testimonial, okay? And from there, you can get started, get building up your experience. Do you know one thing that this thing does? It helps you to build credibility very fast, because people can easily trust you that, oh, you already have this experience, you have done this before, so you can do it for them. I would like to ask, what is the biggest challenge that you have starting out as a virtual assistant? I would like to hear from you. Drop it in the comment section. I also have an ebook that I've put together on step-by-step process, checklist, and things that you need to know, the tools you need, the services you can render, the skills, everything detailed, information that you need to start out as a virtual assistant. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check it out and download it absolutely. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new, and also go through my videos. I have other tutorials that can help you on this journey. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.